don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's embarrassing. Right, we're off to the BMW dealer today in Tunbridge Wells, Arden BMW. My alarm hasn't worked since I've had the bike, and so I'm hoping it's just a remote, but we'll see. We'll pay our money and take our choice. But in the meantime, we'll just enjoy the ride. Oh yeah. It's Grant Melton. I'm here to have the alarm looked at.
No worries.
Right, so here she is. She's going in to have her alarm checked. A bit grubby. Not sure it'll get a wash, but there you go. Then we've got this beast. So this is a GH400. C400GT. Anyway, so here we go. Press the button. This is my lone bike. I've just switched it off. I got no hope. I can't start this. Oh yeah? I can't start it.
Probably the side stand, I think, mate.
Ah, right. Oh, probably.
Go main stand. You have to hold a brake on
Ah.
and press the start button.
Oh, there you go.
That's it.
There you go.
Right.
I'm better with bigger bikes. Oh my god, this is weird. Oh, this is... Oh my god, this is weird. That's quite fun. I quite like that. I don't know what my camera's picking up on this. Gets along okay. Quite smooth. Suspension's quite nice. Very upright. Got a nice back to the seat, which is quite nice. So with the rapid acceleration of this 400 automatic, I won't slip off the saddle. Anyway, so the reason I've got this is because my bike has gone in to have the alarm looked at, which will no doubt bankrupt me. Anyway. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. And we'll know later on what the situation is with it. Of course, the trouble is now, you see, this is being automatic. I was just about to pull in the clutch then, of course it's a brake. So I shall end up activating the ABS, skidding to a halt, well, not skidding to a halt. Very light. I do like a heavier bike. Of course, what will happen now is when I get on the other one, I won't be pulling the clutch in. It's like riding a lawnmower. They're quite big though, actually. I could go and do some Deliveroo pizzas, couldn't I? Or Deliveroo or Domino's. I could go and do some Domino deliveries while I've got this. She's away! Like a scolded cat. I've got to be good. It's not my bike. I can't really see what it's like until... Mind it's probably great for town use. Oh, this could be a death wish trying to get out of here. Really? Let's go get him. Ah, right. We need to stop and have a good look at this. Yep. It's alright in the wet. Bit of water on the road, seems okay. Alright, 30. It's very wide. That's the only thing I'll say. When you put your feet down, it's extremely wide. And if you're short in the leg, it means you're spreading your legs a lot more. Ashnos! That's alright. I'm not sure we'll try any overtakes, but I wonder how much these are. I'll have to look it up. That's it. Get my shoulder down there. And it's got a seat warmer as well, apparently. I've got to try that. That has got to be tried. The seat warmer's on. It says it's on 3. So that'll burn my arse off, I suppose. It seems to absorb the bumps okay too, I must admit. Bearing in mind how our roads are so shite. Oh, there's a truck. Didn't realise that. I keep going to pull my clutch in. Here we go. So let's find out exactly what this is. C400GT. It's not bad, is it? And you can put your helmet underneath there. But actually, it's quite a good little thing. Triple black GT, look at that, it's got GT all over it. Nice lights, look at that. Twin front disc brakes, rear disc brakes, nice little exhaust. There's a lot going on up there. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? 400 GT, triple black. Nice, nice. Ugh. Right, so stand up and then brake on, and away we go. Learnt something. Poor old boy, getting old. So anyway, let's head home. Let me put the visor up and see how this works quite well actually for a little thing. Not too bad. Anyway, we'll put my super duper visor down. How do I feel on this? Well, I don't kind of feel too vulnerable on it, or any more than I would on anything else really, I suppose. It's a good little thing actually. I'm quite impressed with it. It gets along okay. It's good with the bumpy roads. It's very comfortable. It gets along. For a little automatic, it's got very good acceleration, yeah. Yeah, it's very simple, controls are good. Nice heated seat, I like that. I feel like I pissed myself. This is the sort of bike for my mate Andy Hobbs. Hello Andy, I know you'll be watching this. Ah, no transit will catch me. This is a GT. Oh, that heated seat is jolly nice. I quite like these large numbers. This is obviously designed for the OAP, of which I'm not quite there yet. Just keeping an eye on Transit Man behind me. See how much better that is now with the visor shut. Trouble is, because I'm double glazed, because I wear glasses and have the visor shut, it gets very steamy. Yep, took those bumps very well. Normally that's a bone shaker. I kind of like these small bikes actually. They're great fun. They bring the fun back into motorbiking. Whereas I think everything gets terribly serious with the bigger bikes. But there's just something nice about being on a bike and being, you know, just tickling along and seeing stuff that you take for granted. When you're going at silly speeds. Hear the roar under the bridge. Yeah, I quite like this. It's quite fun. And there you go. That's the BMW C400GT. Yeah. That's alright, that's good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's only a short one, and I've only got this really just because my bike's in having work done at Arden BMW Tunbridge Wells. But actually, yeah, I quite like that.